Hello guys, welcome again. Good morning. Here we will discuss about press working technology. In previous videos, part 1, part 2 and part 3, we have discussed about various operations and up to batch bending. Here in part 4, we now move on to press working technology. How press working technology works. How press machine works. Press machine basically press the material and gives the desired output. So that we have to plan our output material or say output job. In previous videos we have discussed about bendings, pre-bendings, edge bendings and operations. Now move forward to press working technology. So bed. So what is bed? We discuss about the various kind of nomenclature in press working technology. So bed is the lowest part of the press. It acts as a table on which the blaster plate is mounted. You can say that bed is the base of this press machine. Second one is blaster plate. Here you can find blaster plate. It is a thick plate attached to the bed of the press. It is used for locating and supporting the die assembly. It is usually 50 to 150 mm thick. Die holder. Here you can find die holder. Also called a die retainer or die shoe. It is used to hold the die block in proper alignment with the punch. It is mounted on the blaster plate. Basically, die holder holds the die, whichever we design for our optimum work or say our optimum job work. Die block. Die block, it is the female part of the die set having an opening shoot punch. You can here see that die block. It is made of a hard wear resistant material such as hardened high carbon steel, high chromium die steel or tungsten carbide. The die is provided with a die relief angle or draft about 0.75 so that cut piece fall fairly through the die opening. Here you can see that blank packaging, stripper, die retainer and die block. Stripper. Here you can find stripper. Stripper are used to prevent the sheet metal from coming up with the punch when it returns after the working stroke. Here the punch goes and return stroke. Stripper may be fixed or spring loaded and may also guide the seat. Stripper may be fixed or spring loaded may also guide the seat. Stock guides and packing. Stock guide, packing. These are used to ensure that during feeding between each operation the stock is guided properly to ensure accurate location for each successive component. Stock stops and pilots are often used to ensure that after each operation the strip is moved through correct distance and located properly for the next operation. That's why we use this kind of functioning stop guide and package. Punch. Punch is the male member. Here is the male member. Goes in and out. Punch is the male member of the die set which forces the sheet strip down to pierce or from it. Like the die, it is also made from hard wear resistant material. It is attached to the ram through suitable punch holders and fastening devices depending upon its design. punch retainer and punch pad. Punch retainer or punch pad is used for holding the punch in its proper relative position. Here you can find the proper position. It may be bolted to the punch holder. Pressure plate or backup plate. Pressure plate or backup plate is usually provided between the punch and the punch holder to provide some cushioning effect. It distributes the pressure over a wider area of the punch holder, reducing any possibility of its getting crushed under heavy load. Punch holder. Punch holder is provided to hold the punch and connect it to the rim of the press. On its top, it ends up in a shank that exactly fits into the rim opening for proper positioning and aligns of the punch. So in this video we will keep over here up to the punch holder. In next video we will discuss about gas bushing, punch plate and etc. Keep watching our next video for next terminology. Thank you.